Now, a little bit about OsstellConnect. This is the information that we glean from each individual implant. So you could see the treatment, the implant abutment, the stability, and the history. So under treatment, we highlighted that they were immediate procedures, one stage full arch, extraction immediate placement. That is unique to that particular implant number 4. This can change for every other implant as well. And it captures the last measurement being blue means it's an abutment level measurement. We have the information of the implant there. We have the information of the abutment there. We have the lot number of the implant there as well. So we know the specific implant that was placed. We also have the stability measurements. So you could see the placement measurement, the restoration measurement, and you can actually see how they plot out on the stability table. And then we can move forward to the overall history of that particular implant. That's all tied to that information. This is just a wealth of information. Let's say the patient moves. Let's say the patient's going to leave and go elsewhere. That you can, in the upper right hand corner of the software, you just click export, and this is a referral sheet. So what you see here is this is an implant stability report, but it's much more than that. This has all the details about each particular implant. That's why you see so many pages off to the right, because that's each implant there, and it captures not only the risk factors associated with it, but the Osstell measurements over time, the type of implant that was placed, and any comments that you may want to write in there. This is the one thing that gets me really excited, because we have patients that come and go in our practice, and I always want them to leave with something that's going to make the following clinician have information to help them treat them better. And the reason being is we have so many patients that come to us that have no information on their implants, and the amount of time we spend researching that and figuring out what they have in their mouth is extremely frustrating. While this is an implant stability report, in many ways it's kind of like maybe an implant tracker as well, and we've all seen different software programs out there that have been tried to emulate trackers and so forth. The nice thing about this is free for use, and I can tell you, I've been beta testing this and giving information back to our friends at Osstell, and they're continuing to develop this. So what you're seeing on the screen here is just like version 1. I think we're going to see some great growth with this over time.